Hey guys, today I am here to bring you another beauty advent calendar. Today's is from NYX, so if you guys are curious to see spoilers of what is inside the NYX Sugar Trip advent calendar, which looks like this, then just keep watching. So I personally love holiday advent calendars. Last year I did a tea advent calendar. I did a couple of beauty ones and they are so much fun. So I love to bring you guys kind of spoilers to let you know what's inside so you can decide if this is something that you'd like to pick up as a gift for someone else or if you'd like to pick it up for yourself, because let's admit it, holiday season, so many great holiday gifts and sets come out that sometimes you have to pick up some for yourself. So this is what it looks like. It's the Sugar Trip 24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. So let's dive right in. Okay, so on the back it kind of gives you the spoilers of what's inside, but it doesn't tell you what day you'll be opening them. So let's open this up. So this is the front, and inside looks like this. Pretty wild, kind of psychedelic, like it says a Sugar Trip. So I guess it's supposed to be like a psychedelic type of design, and they have the numbers on them. So let's jump right in. I don't know if we'll be able to hold it up the whole time, but let's start with number 1 if I can find it. Number 1 is over here, so let's start with this one. I like that it has little tabs to kind of open them for you. Inside, oh, it's gonna hurt your cuticles, guys. Inside we have Sprinkletown highlighter. It says Pop and Rock highlighter. Looks like this. Ooh, it's like an iridescent bluey shade. That's pretty. Not so wearable, but it's fun. So that's number 1. Oh, these go in order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes it easy. Day 2 is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Nantes. I have not tried their metallic creams yet. What does this look like? Okay, it looks like a shimmery bubblegum pink lipstick, so that's fun. Behind door number 3, we have the Liquid Suede Cream Lipsticks, which I really love. This one is Starstruck. And I don't want to swatch all of these because I'd like to use them later. And once you open them, it kind of limits the shelf life of the product. So I'm going to hold on to this one, but this is the color of the liquid lipstick. Behind door number 4 is Sprinkletown highlighter. This one is Cinnamon Spice. Oh, that one looks almost like duochrome. Huh. I have to try that one. It is. It's like a gold with like a slight green undertone. I think it's too dark for me. Yeah, I think this one's going to be too dark for me, but if you have a deeper skin tone and you like kind of like duochrome highlights, I love green highlights, don't get me wrong, but I just don't think this one would look right on my skin tone, but this is a really fun color. Behind door number 5 is an intense butter gloss in the shade Sweet Nothing. It's like a plummy pink purple shade. Door number 6 is a matte lipstick in the shade Fluff Piece, which is this like, I want to say candy pink shade right here. Behind door number 7 is a soft matte lip cream. This is in the shade Vienna. That's a really nice, like muted, plummy pink with like a hint of gray to it. Really nice shade. So far I'm not seeing any holiday shades. I'm seeing like candy shades. So we'll see if that changes. Day number 8 is Paradise Fluff Highlighter, Candy Cloud. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a pinky highlight right there. I will definitely get use out of that one. I love pink highlights. We're on to the second row now. So we've done all of the first row. Now we're moving on to the second. Day number 9 is This Is Everything Lip Oil. Oh, fun. In cranberry. Haven't tried their lip oils, but I am a big fan of lip oils. So thank you, NYX. Day number 10 is a NYX Slip Tease Full Color Lip Oil. Ah, another lip oil. This is like a nice peachy nude. Day number 11, you get a butter gloss, and this is in the shade Glazy Days. These are really excellent glosses. They're affordable. This is a nice like cinnamon tone. I like that. Day 12, we get Land of Lollies. I feel like this is a combination of like Willy Wonka and The Wizard of Oz. Just kind of like some hybrid. This is Lollipop Hop Blush. Ooh, yes please. There's the blush. It's a nice, I would say a nice cool pink. Day 13 is a single shadow. This one's called Sweet Chateau Cookie Cutter. A nice kind of like bone color. Day 14 is also a single shadow. This one is called Candy Stash. And that one's straight up shimmery pink. Yep, straight up shimmery pink. Day 15 is another This Is Everything lip oil. This one's in the shade Candy Pop, which is purple. Day 16 is a matte lipstick in the shade Sorbet. It's like denim blue. Not so wearable, but it's a fun color. It's like a cotton candy color, so I guess I had to toss that in. All right, we finished row number 2, moving on to the third and final row. Day 17 is a lip lingerie in the shade Slip. Really nice mauve shade. Day number 18 is another NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Peanut Brittle. That's a nice orange shade. This is one of those colors that Kathleen loves. She loves her orange lipsticks. So Kathleen, in the very, very slim chance that you're watching this, have you tried this shade yet? Behind door number 19 is a Whipped Wonderland eyeshadow. This one is the shade Sweet Tooth, and it looks like a really pretty sparkly copper shade. Right there. Day number 20, you get another shadow. This is Whipped Mocha. It's a nice warm brown matte shade. Day 21, you get another soft matte lip cream. This is in the shade Kiev. I'm assuming it's the shade of the bottle. Yes, it looks like a matte black. Again, not so wearable, but fun for Halloween. If you were to pick this up before Halloween, perhaps you could use it on Halloween. Day 22, you get another NYX lingerie. This is deep rooted, so it's a deep brown. Great for the winter. Day 23, Licorice Lane eyeshadow. This one is Twisted. It looks like a metallic gray. Like a gunmetal gray shade. Swatch is a lot lighter than gunmetal. I'd just say like a silver gray. And finally, we have day 24. Day 24 is Licorice Lane eyeshadow single. This is in the shade In Deep Trouble, and it looks like a very dark, like eggplant purple shade. Right there. So these are really fun. I'm surprised that they didn't give you a red lipstick in here, since this is a holiday advent calendar. I thought that you would get like a red lipstick for holidays, since that's pretty much, that's like the go-to lip color, but they were probably trying to think out of the box. Sugar Trip, pinks, purples, like candy shades, which is pretty much what we got. We got oranges, peaches, pinks, purples, and a blue. So it's definitely creative. It's definitely an out-of-the-box type of advent calendar. I think it's fun. I mean, parts of it, it's a little creepy. I don't know. With like the pink and purple face. We've got a lady up here with green hair. I don't know, a flying cat with 2 eyeballs. Like, I guess Sugar Trip, like you're seeing things that aren't really the reality. And then this girl over here looks like a vampire. I don't know. I don't know. It's different. This probably would not grab my attention had it not been an advent calendar. Like just seeing this reminds me of like The Walking Dead down here. So I'm not sure if this would have grabbed my attention on packaging alone, but I am a big fan of advent calendars. So let's try on a few of these products really quickly so we can kind of see how the shadows play together. I do not have any blush on, so let's remedy that. Let's try to find the blush highlight. Blush, here we go. This is the Lollipop Pop blush, so let's pop a little of this on. It's very pigmented. That's a nice color, I like that. Doesn't necessarily go with the red lips, but that's okay. Okay, so that is pretty. I already have like 3 or 4 highlights on, so I'm not gonna do any more highlight on my face, but I do wanna see what that one highlight looks like on the eyes. So I'm actually gonna try this one on the eyes. Very pretty. Then let's go into some of these shadows. Let's see, wasn't there a warm brown? Whipped Mocha will go into this one in the crease. I feel like these shades pair very well together because the undertone of this one is kind of like a coppery gold with the green shift. And then I'm going to go into that like matte cream shade, the Cookie Cutter, and kind of just highlight under the brows. So that was a very easy look using the highlights, 2 of the matte shadows. Tried a little bit of the blush on. Let's try a lip product. I already own a lot of the soft matte lip creams, the liquid suedes, and I own 1 or 2 of the lipsticks, so why don't we try the soft matte metallic lip cream. I haven't tried any of these before, and I know that it's pink and it will clash, but I'm curious to see how this looks on the lips. They smell like candy. It's not as pink as I thought. I think this would be beautiful topped on top of like a deep pink lip. I mean, it gives you just like this hint of pink with a gold sheen to it, so it definitely doesn't look like the color in the tube. This looks bubblegum pink. On my lips, I feel like I just have like this light gold sheen, which is pretty. I generally don't go for like the metallic lips. This brings me back to like the 80s, back when we were doing like light pink shimmery lipsticks. But this one I don't mind so much, so I will probably use this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the NYX Sugar Trip Advent Calendar. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.